What's good, everybody? It's your boy DV Kicks, man. Today's video, we're gonna continue with the series of kind of redoing my closet, the closet refresh, added some new pieces, dumping a lot of old pieces and giving them away that are no longer needed in my wardrobe. All right, feels good, feels great. I'm feeling good today. I got a couple of new pieces that I want to share with you guys. We started off with the basics last time. This time we're gonna take the basic tops, but we're gonna take the tops to, you know, the next level, right? Next level, nothing too major, but some good stuff that I did pick up that I just want to share with you guys. Any and everything that I can link in the description box below, I will do that. As far as pricing and stuff, a lot of times when I'm recording this, I just forget what some of the prices are of some of these items, so I'll put it on the screen as well as putting it in the description box below. So let me know if you guys like that. If y'all watched the last video, if y'all like kind of like a short product description kind of popping up on the video, I think that was a good idea, last minute change that I did. You know, let's go ahead and get straight into it. We're gonna start off with graphics. All right, so I've been eyeballing this brand. This is a LA based brand. It's called Diet Starts Monday. I think it's made in LA. So just an all over nice cream t-shirt, pretty much. Just got an oversized fit, kind of has like a reverse or inside out type of stitching to it. The colors on the shirt would definitely give me a good summer vibe, and I've got a dope outfit planned for this type of t-shirt, and I like it. It's nice. Now what I will say is the retail price on this shirt is just not worth it. The retail price was $75, but I got mine on sale at Nordstrom, so I ended up paying $50 for this shirt, which is still, you know, not too bad, but it's still not cheap either. But it's dope. It's definitely a vibe. I like it. I just don't think it's worth $75, so I don't pay that much for this t-shirt. That's way too much. The quality is pretty decent. I mean, an Abercrombie like basic t-shirt like that I'm wearing right now is better quality than this, you know, to keep it real with you guys. But sometimes you gotta have you know, something a little flashy, something that pops. This next piece is gonna be good for if you feel like you want to layer. I like to layer. All right, so if y'all don't know, I left. I'm active duty, right? So I left for like 10 years from Jacksonville, Florida. Now I'm back in Jacksonville, Florida. So I will live in Washington State and Virginia. So those are two cold places in the fall and winter. So I got so used to layering. But anyways, now I like to layer my clothing. So if that's not good enough for you, what can you throw on to elevate the outfit? You know, elevate your graphic t-shirt or your plain t-shirt. I found this vest. Hear me out, guys. Y'all, for the fellas, y'all hear me out. This is a Lululemon vest. All right, Lululemon is pricey, but I pretty much was just looking for a solid, lightweight, good quality vest. Like, that's what I Googled, you know, lightweight vest. And this is one of the ones that came up. I ran across this one and I've tried it on. I haven't worn it yet and I love it. So you can throw this on over a graphic tee or a plain t-shirt if it's too much for you. It's very lightweight. It's a ripstop nylon material. So it's very lightweight, but it's also slightly water resistant. This color is called Vapor. So it's like a whitish, very light silver almost, and it also comes in black. The retail on this thing is like $120, but I ended up getting it for 70 something bucks, I think. So yeah, retail's $118, and I ended up getting it for $118. I ended up getting it for like 70 something dollars. Hopefully that's not washing out, but it's dope, and you guys are gonna see it. You're gonna see me try it on body, as well as when I complete this series, I'm gonna end it off with just some summer outfits for you guys, right? So I think this is a really dope piece to add. This is something I've never owned, and it just gives me a easy way that I can layer and really try to style some stuff, you know, in the summertime without just throwing on just a basic t-shirt. Matter of fact, let's see how it looks with this t-shirt right now. Yeah, see? Yeah, this is definitely a vibe. I like this. This is definitely a clean, lightweight piece that y'all can add to y'all wardrobe. I highly recommend it. Or if you guys can find a good alternative for the low, go ahead and do that too. I think I'm gonna keep this on for the video, man. Let's keep it on. Also, before that, what's also really dope, the side pockets of this vest, it has like cell phone pockets and 2 front pockets. You put your keys and stuff in. So if you don't like a lot of stuff in your shorts or your jeans, you can just put it in this pocket right here. I might have to do like a solo like TikTok or something just on this vest alone, because it's good. Y'all know jerseys is hot, mesh jerseys all over the place. Some of them are very expensive. I've seen some go for $180, $200. Actually, I seen one that was $650 today that was knit. Don't buy nothing like that. But this is one of those trendy pieces, so I don't like to dive too deep. I'll get a few and I kind of just cut it off. But this one is from H&M. So my point being is this is a budget friendly option. You can probably get this for like, I don't know, 30 something bucks. It's probably marked down by now. I've had it for a few months, but it's just black and white with just the numbers on it. Open, so like an open wide mesh, oversized fit. And yeah, this is cool. It's just black and white. This is a good vibe, you know, for the summertime. Easy to wear, good colorway, and it's not doing too much as far as the fit and the style of it. I think this is a pretty safe option that you guys can go and get. And to be fair, like the material is actually pretty sturdy from H&M, right? So definitely go grab you one of these for the low, man. If you don't want to spend $100 something on a Stussy jersey, get you one of these. This is a piece I've had for a few months now, and I just forgot to, I don't think I talked too much about it. Not that I remember, but so I'm gonna show you guys again. This is a knit button up from Honor the Gift, but what's really dope about this, this one actually has embroidery on it, pink embroidery, and you don't really see that too much. A lot of them are just plain, you know, ones from like Abercrombie or Stussy or whatnot, or just different brands that make shirts like this. But this one kind of gives it like a streetwear vibe, but it also keeps it casual. And the brand, it just has very minimal branding on the back, and then like a nice big stitch logo on the front. It fits super dope. I think I have a picture with it, but it fits really well. Something like this probably run you like $80 something, or if you can catch it on sale, you'll pay a little bit less. But I highly recommend something like this. It's very lightweight, very breathable, casual, and premium. Very good quality. All right, next we're gonna switch it up again. Another knit top. This is closer to like a linen top though, and this is from a brand called Elwood. They make a lot of basics. They sell it in Nordstrom. Well, I like this because it's just linen. It's lightweight. You know, I feel like this one gives off more of a streetwear vibe than the Honor the Gift shirt. I don't know why. That's just my opinion, but I think you could go casual with this, or you could go with some streetwear, right? It's just all black. Actually, it's like a faded black. The exact color that they're using is coal, and I believe this comes in another color with just red stitching on the back, and it's very lightweight. It's got like a nice pattern to it. Very clean t-shirt, slightly boxy, slightly cropped. This does retail for $70, but I think this is worth it. You guys, y'all know OG Air Jordans and stuff like that, your Breads, your Chicagos. This is gonna be something you're gonna want to add to your wardrobe. Highly recommend it. Very comfortable, very lightweight shirt that you can add to your wardrobe. Literally a summer linen blend shirt, but it's in this beautiful like jade green color. I got this on clearance, so definitely check your clearance racks. It does retail for $60, but you can get it for cheaper than that. And it's just like a quarter button up, so it's not a full open button up, but I think y'all can definitely style this in some dope ways. And if you look really closely, it's got like mixtures of brown in it. You guys might be able to catch it on camera, but very nice piece to add for the summer. And you can button it all the way up for a more sophisticated look, or if you want to keep it slightly open with a nice t-shirt or tank top up under that, you can do that as well. Definitely grab you one of these with some white sneakers or something, or a nice shoe to go with this. This is going to be very clean, very essential. All right, so that's wrapping up part 2 of this video, the elevated tops that can go with your basics, or you can add to your basics. You're going to need some stuff like this for your wardrobe, so definitely let me know what was the best piece in this part of this video. And I appreciate you guys coming through, showing love to the channel. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys like this type of content, definitely subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. Give me a follow over at DB_kicks on Instagram if you want to see me style sneakers and put fits together and stuff like that. Eat some good food, and that's it. And your boy DB Kicks is out.